Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Fly away.
I spent a bit more than 2 days with my boyfriend and his dad in a paradise that is pretty much still undiscovered. Coiba National Park, located in Panama, has so much to offer. It has a huge variety of animals, perfect weather, beautiful nature and much more. And the best part, there are mostly no people, so you have all the paradise to yourself.
Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
So we woke up at 6 a.m. and now it's almost 8 and I just got here to get some groceries that we need. And yeah, soon we're leaving and we have high tide at 9, so we're gonna have a lot of water and that's nice.
Still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by. Caught in an action, I can't rewind. Oh, and in my head I'm screaming, but out of my mind I'm still too young to feel this way.
So we spent about 3 hours on water and it was mostly a bumpy ride but still beautiful, and we had nice weather, and then we arrived. It's amazing. The water is warm, it's beautiful, it's clear. Look at this! And there's our boat. This is the most beautiful beach I've ever been to, and we just saw a crocodile because there's a small, I don't know, river or something, and it was huge. I hope you can see it on the video. I don't think so, but I'll look for it. And just look at this view. We are on the next island. This one is very small and amazing. It's like half of the island is just beach, just beautiful white sand and beach, and there are these corals, or I don't know what. They just look so cool. So I approve. This is beautiful. Now we're gonna go do some drone shots.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, on we'll go.
We found the cutest animals ever. They are so tiny and they're so cute, and there's so many of them. If you look closely, the whole floor is moving. So after some time relaxing on the beach, we're gonna go for some diving and snorkeling, and let's see what we find underwater. is coming close, where we were looking for a place to sleep and found this beach, and we're staying here for the night, and we'll try to stay as far away from the shore as possible so that we don't have all the mosquitoes. Yeah, but look at this jungle. Pure jungle. I have to admit that the first night was really bad for me because I got too much sun on the first day and had a strong headache, and we had to move the boat because there was too much wind. But the next day turned out to be a lot better.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space.
We found a dog on the beach that was looking like it was starving, so we decided to give him some of our food, and he looked really grateful for it.
To think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I need.
I wanted to tell you quickly that we had to prepare a lot for the trip, and also had to cook for pretty much half a day so we have enough food, but it was totally worth it because then we could relax when we were actually there.
If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. Yeah, I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you.
On the second morning at around 8 AM we started our way back, which took us also about 3 hours. And on the way we bought some fresh fish and went up a river surrounded by jungle. We had a great experience all in all, and I'm sure that we're gonna come back here soon.
If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a heart